Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to sign up to Veo 2, the new video AI generator from Google. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, open your favorite browser. For now, I'm using this Google Chrome. After that, on the search bar, search for Veo 2 and hit enter. And on the top, you can see from Google DeepMind, you can find his Veo 2. Just click on this. And over here you can see here is sample of videos created from this AI. You can also see here Veo creates videos with realistic motion and high in quality output up to 4K. That means we can create videos up to 4K resolution. Now to sign up, just click on this sign up over here. After clicking there, we'll land on this page. Now over here you can see here is sign in with Google. Just click on this. Again click on this sign in. Now choose your account to sign in on Veo 2. And after that, just click on next, again next, and click on this agree and continue. And that's it. We have successfully signed in for Veo 2 videos and data. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.